in order to improve the shelf life. But during polishing, it completely depletes the nutritious constituents of millets, and these are again maybe worse than rice, but still pricey. And really we need to create awareness on the morphological features of the polished and unpolished millets, and this can enable the consumer to pick and choose the right millet to incorporate in their daily diet. And I would also like to tell that polishing depletes fiber, micronutrients, vitamins and minerals, leaving behind only the starch, and this is again definitely, like white rice, is going to increase the glycemic load of Indian diets. And here I am showing the study which we conducted at Indian Institute of Millet Research and also at Madras Diabetes Research Foundation. We polished different millets that were provided by the Indian Institute of Millet Research, and we evaluated for different nutrients, and these were the millets because we consume a lot of small millets in South India. So we took foxtail millet, little millet, kodo, banya and proso millet, and two varieties under each millet. We took them and we polished them, and we compared the nutritional properties of both the unpolished and the polished millets. And the finding is similar to white rice. Polishing is going to increase the glycemic carbohydrates. Glycemic carbohydrates is nothing but the carbohydrates that raise the blood sugar level, and it depletes dietary fiber and also vitamins and minerals. And also millets are known for health beneficial nutraceuticals or phytochemicals, and phenolic, several health beneficial phenolic compounds are being identified, and those are lost upon polishing, and we were able to find this using histochemical localization studies. And here you are seeing the consensus guidelines which was framed in the year 2011 in order to maintain well-being and also for prevention of obesity, diabetes, metabolic syndrome and related disorders. And what they have told is that we are supposed to consume low glycemic index foods. So what are low glycemic index foods? Glycemic index is a scale that ranks carbohydrate rich foods based on their ability to raise the blood sugar levels upon ingestion. And any high glycemic index food is harmful. And also, we need to understand one more terminology, the glycemic load, which I mentioned earlier. This glycemic load takes into account the blood sugar raising property of the carbohydrate and also the quantity of the glycemic carbohydrates present in the food. For example, if you take watermelon, the carbohydrate content is low because it contains a lot of water. Whereas when you take a laddu, it contains a lot of glycemic carbohydrates as well as it raises the blood sugar level very fast. It is a high glycemic load food. And so high glycemic load diets raise the blood sugar levels very fast, and it creates a lot of pressure to the pancreas. And at some point of time, the beta cells, which are known to secrete insulin, fails, and the stage known as the beta cell exhaustion occurs, and which ultimately leads to type 2 diabetes. And you all know we are Asian Indians. Indians have higher risk for type 2 diabetes because this is a typical phenotype. And when we consume refined grain-based diets continuously, that is going to act as triggers, and it will lead us into type 2 diabetes.